do an unboxing of this guy here, and we received it today in the mail, and I'm so excited because the Blitzwolf Company sent us this to try, and thank you so much Blitzwolf for sending us some love, and we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to try it. Actually, this is a soundbar, and the good thing about that, because later we're going to give you all guys a 30% off code to try. Where did you get that? Where did you get that? Oh, your tito's in there. So later we're going to share with you all guys the 30% off code, and you can find it on my description box. But before we get started, I just wanted to invite you all to please subscribe to our channel. We're doing a lot of product reviews for kids, for moms, and for home essentials. And we're gonna be having a lot of giveaways coming in, and as of now we still have giveaways ongoing for a summer dress collection for kids. So if you wanted to go ahead and join in that, you can go watch in our previous video. And yes, let's go proceed to our unboxing.
My stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Look at this, guys. This is a 36-inch soundbar from the Blitzwolf, and all the accessories and the remote control, of course the guide is in here. So let's go ahead and try this one.
Everywhere. I don't think Tala's hiding. I think she's gone. Guys, this drawer is empty. But where did all your jewelry go? And where is my sweet, sweet little Tala? Don't worry, Shimmer. I wish we could find Tala. Boom! Zane! First wish of the day. Shimmer and shine. Find Tala.
So this is it, guys. OMG, it looks so perfect in my TV, and the sound are so awesome. And it only took me maybe 2 minutes to set this up. It's so fast and it's so easy. You know, I only used one wire for the audio, and then I connected it into the TV, and then that's it. So as you can see here, there's a power button also, and you can also control your volume up and down, and of course there's a source button here too. And the dimension size is exactly 35.4 by 3.4 by 1.7 inch. So as you can see, it's pretty neat. It looks elegant into your living room. It has a 6-speaker, and this is really good for a home theater, you know, or entertainment, because it has a system surround sound. So now you can experience your favorite TV show, movies, and music with a clear dynamic sound. This is really perfect for entertainment, for your living room. And you can also connect this into your Bluetooth using your smart TVs, PC, and smartphones. So you can enjoy this, you know, using your Bluetooth. And the good thing about this is you can 3D stereo surround sound for movie. It has a dynamic, awesome sound that you will really notice the difference of more clear sound from your TV.
It was such a good idea on such a hot day. Now we just need to find the perfect
Lady, good time.
Thank you! Wow! My sister's still here.
What's inside? New push-me-ups are ready to fly. I didn't know that was big.
The kids really like it, and now this summer they can now enjoy watching TVs and movies. And even Ricky is enjoying it, you know, watching his favorite show. perfect for family. So if you ever wanted to avail this one or upgrade your home to a home theater with this soundbar, I will going to put the link in my description box with my 30% off discount, which means you can avail this one for $69 only, and the original price is $99. And yes, I hope guys you like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing a lot of product reviews and giveaways to all of y'all. And yes, now we need to say goodbye because we're going to watch a Coco movie. I don't know if you already watched this, but yes, we'll see you in our next one. Thank you guys for watching.
In our next one. Bye!